Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to work on page 11 in our spelling book, and it is in lesson 2, floss words. But today we're not working with the floss words, we're working with our heart words. So I'm drawing a heart so I remember heart words, words I have to know by heart. They do not look the way they sound. And if you look really close at the top of your page, you'll see it reminds you of that. Heart words, so underline it or circle. I'm going to circle it actually. Heart words, this is the definition. Heart words do not look the way they sound. So you're not paying attention to the sound as much because they don't look the way they sound. You have to memorize these by heart. You have to they just are words you have to know. Part of the word you might be able to hear, but not the whole word. So you have to commit them to memory, know them by heart. All right, our 3 heart words we're working with. Read them with me. Pull, put, push. Pull, put, push. Yes, I can do this. It says color your heart words. Write the 3 heart words in this lesson. Well, that's easy. I'm just going to look up here and I'm going to write them here. So I'll write the first one with you, even though I know you can do this. Pull, puh. P is a rule breaker. U-L-L. And pull, our heart word, follows the floss rule too. There's that double L at the end of a single syllable word. Then I've got to do these 4 bullet points down here. So the first bullet point says underline. So I'm going to do this for all 3 words. So you're going to write pull, put, push. I'm going to demonstrate on pull though, but you're going to do them with all the words. Underline the part of each heart word that is the same. Each heart word that is the same. Well, I can look up here and I know that they're all P's, so you would underline all of the P's when you write them, because that's the same, and you can look up here and see that immediately. So after you write them, you're going to underline them. Wait a minute. I also see that it's the U. They all have P-U, P-U, P-U. That's funny. So we're going to underline the P-U in each of those words. Then you're going to double underline. And we learned double means do it twice. So you're going to find the one that has the digraph. You're going to double underline the digraph. Only one of our words has a digraph. Push. So you're going to double underline the sh in push after you write them. Then you're going to circle the double consonant. So double, that means 2. So you're going to find the word that has the double consonant and happens to be pull. So I'm going to circle it so you'll see. And then you're going to box the spelling of the vowel. So you're not going to do all these things in all of the words because only one of them has a digraph. Only one of them has a double consonant. So you'll only do that to one word. But all of them have a vowel. So we're going to box the vowel. So I'll box my U for you because that's the vowel. And they all have a U. So you're going to box in all of the U's. So these go with these 3 words. Write the 3 words and then follow these directions using the 3 words you wrote. Okay? Excellent. Let's go down and see what the second half of the page has us do. Push me, pull you, where do you put it? Let's read that again. Push me, pull you, where do you put it? And they've got our heart words in green, so our eyes are drawn to that. Now let's see what the direction is. Which heart word belongs in these sentences? Push, pull, or put. So this is kind of like what we did yesterday where we filled in the heart word, the word that went in each blank. We're going to put the heart word in each blank, the one that makes the most sense. Do we push something, do we pull it, or do we put it? So push, you're behind something and you're pushing it away, like I'm pushing this pencil across the page. Or to pull it means I'm pulling it towards me. You're pulling it. Remember, push, pull, or I'm putting it somewhere. So remember, push, pull, or put. You blank a wagon. Well, wagons have a handle, so I usually pull the wagon. So we're going to put pull here. Remember, you got P at the beginning of each of these. P is a rule breaker, so make sure you practice that. They don't start with a capital P in the middle of a sentence. You pull a wagon. Perfect. Picture what they want you to, picture what they're asking you to do in your head. Visualize it. So I have a wagon. I know I pull a wagon. You blank a wheelbarrow. Now you might not know what a wheelbarrow is. It's like it's a garden tool that you use. It's big. It's got a wheel on it. Wheel. Usually only one wheel. And you fill it up and you pick up two handles and you push the wheelbarrow along. Kind of looks like this. I'm not a very good artist, but I'll try and draw it. So here's my wheelbarrow. And then it has a wheel right here hooked onto it. And then usually it has like two things in the back so you can set it down. And you would fill this up with rocks or dirt or hay or something you wanted to move. And so you'd lift up the handles and you would push it along on that one wheel. Sometimes they're very difficult to balance. Maybe you've used a wheelbarrow. Maybe not. Maybe you've seen them at the store. Kind of look like that. Hopefully that gives you an idea. You push a wheelbarrow. So P's a rule breaker. You S-H. You push a wheelbarrow. And then you're going to go on and you're going to continue to fill these in. Okay, with push, pull, or put. 3, you blank a baby stroller. You blank on sunscreen at the beach. You blank balloons down from the ceiling. You blank your toys away when you are done. You blank a lawnmower. You blank out a tooth. You blank on your shoes and socks. You blank buttons to make a phone call. You blank your arms around someone to hug them. Just read over the words if you need to. Listen to me read them. You can pause the video, listen, and then figure it out. Or you can just go through and do them on your own. Whichever one you're ready to do is fine with me. All right, focus on your heart words. And until next time, go out and do great works.